Tired of that ugly Chrome theme you installed by accident? Remove it in 10 seconds with this simple trick. You clicked around, tried to find where themes hide, maybe even poked through settings. Nothing. It feels like the theme just took over and locked the door behind it. I've been there. But here's the good news. Getting your clean, classic Chrome back is almost unfairly easy, and I'll show you exactly where to click to uninstall any theme. So first things first, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your computer. If it's already up, great. If not, just launch it now. That's the only setup you need. Now, look at the bottom right corner of your browser window. See that little pencil icon? Or it might say Customize Chrome. Either way, that's your ticket out of theme jail. Go ahead and click it. This opens a side panel that controls everything related to the look of your browser. And here's where the magic happens. At the very top of that side panel, you'll see your current theme displayed. It might show the name of the theme you installed or just a preview of the colors. Click on that section. This tells Chrome, hey, I want to manage this specific theme. Right there, you should see a button that says Remove from Chrome. It's usually a red or gray button. Pretty obvious once you're looking at it. Go ahead and click it. Chrome doesn't want you to accidentally trash your theme, so it'll pop up a small confirmation dialog. Just click Remove again to confirm. And that's it. Chrome instantly snaps back to the default look. You don't need to restart the browser or refresh anything. The theme is gone. To double check, open a new tab page. If you see the classic white background and the colorful Google logo, you're all set. The theme has been evicted. Now, here's a little extra tip that I always include when walking someone through this. If your Chrome still looks a bit unusual after removing the theme, maybe some colors feel off or the toolbar looks different, you can do a quick reset of Chrome's settings. Go to the three-dot menu in the top right corner, click Settings, then on the left side, click Reset and Clean Up. Choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. This won't delete your bookmarks or passwords, but it will wipe out any lingering appearance tweaks. Think of it as a factory reset for Chrome's look and feel. And that's really all there is to it. You went from being stuck with an unwanted theme to having Chrome look exactly the way you want in less than a minute. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick fixes like this. Thanks for watching.